Hello everyone, greetings for the day. This is Divya, your course coordinator in association with Trend Brain Preschool and International Montessori Teacher Training. Today in our lesson, we will be learning about dynamic subtraction using the Montessori stamp game material. Yes, so we will be using Montessori stamp game. We could also be using the same problem statement using Montessori golden beads as well. But for today's lesson, we will be using the Montessori stamp game. As per the rule of subtraction, we will be arranging only the first number, that is our 6,855, on our Montessori felt mat or any mat that is available in your classroom. Once the child arranges the quantity, that is the first number quantity, we are going to be taking away the second number. Alright, so let's see how the process is all about. So what is the first number that we will have to be taking away? So we have 6,855. 6,855. Now we will have to be taking away 4,963 from the first number. So we are going to find out what is the difference. So let's begin with our ones. So we have 5 ones. We got to take away 3 ones. Before we initiate the subtraction process, always make sure that you have an empty tray so the child will be able to remove or take away the quantity and place it in a close by space. Okay, so let's quickly take back 3 ones from 5 ones. So I'm going to take away 3 ones. 1, 2 and 3. How many are remaining? 1 and 2. So we have 2 ones remaining. Now we have 5 tens and we have to take away 6 tens from 5. But since 6 is a bigger number than 5, we will not be able to take away, right? So what do? This is where the concept of borrowing comes. So we have to borrow one number or 100 from this. Okay, so since I cannot take away 6 tens, I don't have 6 tens, 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10. I have only 5 tens, but I have to be taking away 6 tens, so I don't have it. So that's the reason I'm going to be borrowing from my 100. But can I be positioning 100 in my tens place? No, I cannot position. So what do? I replace my 100 with my 10 tens because I have learned that 10 tens make 100, right? So 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10, 8 10, 9 10 and 10 10. So I have my 10 tens make 100. So I don't have to be positioning this. So I'll keep it away. So I have my 10 tens, right? So let me quickly join all of them together. So I collected my 10 tens. Okay. It necessarily need not be in a straight line. It's okay. Okay. Now you have to be taking away how many tens? 6 tens. So let's quickly take away 6 tens. Okay. So I have 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 tens. So I took away 6 tens. How many are remaining? 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10, 8 10, 9 tens. So we have 9 tens. Now we have to be taking away 900s from 800. 9 is a bigger number, right? So you cannot take away 900s. So what do? You have to borrow from 1000. But can I be replacing it over here? No. So what should we do? We have to be replacing 1000 with 10 hundreds. So I'll be keeping it over here and I would replace it with 10 hundreds. Okay, so 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 10 hundreds. So I'm going to be replacing it with my 10 hundreds. Now I will take away how many hundreds? 9 hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. So I took away my 900s. So how many hundreds are remaining? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. So I have my 800s remaining. Now the last number. Okay, so I have to be taking away 4,000s. Can we take 4,000s? Yes. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. I took away 4,000s. How many thousands are remaining? Only 1,000. So my answer is 1,000. So my answer is 1,892. So 1,892 is my answer. So this is our dynamic subtraction, wherein we had borrowing concept, right? So we borrowed. So you have to always remember, anytime that you have to take away a bigger number from a smaller number, don't hesitate to borrow. Okay, when you're borrowing from the other quantity, try to replace it. Okay, so 10 ones make 110. So you got to be replacing it like that. 100 by 10 tens, 1000 by 10 hundreds. Okay, so this is our dynamic subtraction. I hope this exercise was helpful for all of you. You could share your comments, like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of our updates. Until then, it's bye from Divya.